नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका साथी जेमी ऑल्टर और आप देख रहे हैं ऑल्टर्ड स्टेट विद जेमी सीजन 2। इन टुडेज एपिसोड वी हैव विद अस एन एक्टर जिन्हें आपने हॉटस्टार की कॉमेडी सीरीज द ऑफिस में देखा होगा एज द हिलेरियस जगदीप चड्ढा, Z5 की नई रिलीज सनफ्लावर में एज डॉक्टर आहूजा, Amazon प्राइम की फिल्म शेरनी में ऑपोजिट विद्या बालन, वेब सीरीज बिच्छू का खेल में और कई फिल्मों और बहुत सारे एड्स में। A passionate stage actor by heart, इन्होंने न्यूयॉर्क में बैंकिंग की जॉब छोड़ के वापस इंडिया आने का फैसला लिया और आज अपने एक्टिंग करियर में कई मकाम हासिल कर चुके हैं। आइए दोस्तों, मिलते हैं मुकुल चड्ढा से। मुकुल जी, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ जेमी, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू चैट विद यू। वी एक्सचेंज मैसेजेस सेवरल टाइम्स, बट ये पहली बार है जब वी एक्चुअली, आई मीन, आई कांट से फेस टू फेस because we're still not meeting. It's still better because I can hear your voice and you can hear mine and I can see your face even over a screen. So I'm very excited to do this.
Thank you for taking our time. तो सर, शुरू करते हैं। आपकी कहानी काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है। IIM अहमदाबाद से डिग्री हासिल करने के बाद आप चले गए न्यूयॉर्क बैंकिंग करने। And if any point I have the wrong facts, just tell me to shut up and correct me, because it's a very informal show. तो वहां आप जॉब कर रहे थे, उस बीच में I read कि आपने थोड़ी थिएटर किया वहां पे।
जी,
बताइए उसके बारे में सर।
तो थिएटर तो मैं मतलब बचपन से करता आ रहा हूँ, मतलब स्कूल कॉलेज में, बट इट वाज ऑलवेज कि ये एक शौक है, यू नेवर थिंक ऑफ इट सीरियसली, क्योंकि मतलब सब करते हैं, मतलब स्कूल IIM में भी हमने किया, बहुत बहुत लोगों ने किया, मतलब बाकी स्टूडेंट्स भी थे, हमने किया। न्यूयॉर्क जब मैं गया तो अचानक एक्चुअली देयर वाज अ कपल ऑफ अदर इंडियंस, देयर वाज दिस फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन भावना ठाकुर, जो लॉयर थी न्यूयॉर्क में, और उसने भी बहुत थिएटर किया था इंडिया में। सो शी सेड कि हम थिएटर करते हैं, मतलब जो लोग, मतलब दे वांटेड समथिंग डिफरेंट टू डू। और न्यूयॉर्क में तो थिएटर सीन इज वेरी एक्टिव, लेकिन सारे फुल टाइम एक्टर्स हैं। सो हमारे लिए तो मौका मिलेगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि हम तो मतलब काम पे जाते थे सुबह 9 to नॉट इवन 9 to 5, इट यूज्ड टू बी 7 to 7 और व्हाटएवर। तो हमने डिसाइड कर लिया, इट वाज हर मूवमेंट एक्चुअली, शी स्टार्टेड इट। एक थिएटर कंपनी हमने शुरू की कॉल्ड ऑल्टर ईगो, एंड वी सेड एक नाटक करते हैं। हयावदन किया हमने, व्हिच आई थिंक एवरी थिएटर ग्रुप एट सम पॉइंट इन देयर लाइफ वाज हयावदन, मतलब इट्स अ पैसेज। तो हयावदन किया हमने, एंड इट वाज फन। वीकेंड्स पे हमने रिहर्स किया या वीक नाइट्स पे। सो एंड इट आल्सो रिवाइव्ड इन मी कि यार ये इंटरेस्ट बहुत स्ट्रांग है, मैं करना चाह रहा हूँ। So then I also started after that taking classes at Lee Strasberg Theatre Institute, जो घर काफी बगल में था। तो it was a train ride away, so I started classes there part time. तो उसमें भी बहुत मजा आया, and I think somewhere कहीं पे this also revived the interest and कि जब मैं नौकरी छोड़ के वापस आ रहा था and I wasn't sure कि मैं क्या करूं next, I definitely felt कि जो भी मैं करूं मुझे थिएटर थोड़ा सा करना है। So I actually said मैं sabbatical लेके फिर मैं थिएटर करूंगा मुंबई में 2 साल, फिर देखते हैं। And I think that period in New York also was good to kind of कि ये एक शौक है। फिर भी उस टाइम पे भी I thought it's a शौक, but it became a more serious passion. It became ये करना है।
Fascinating, and मैं आपकी बातें सुन रहा हूँ तो मैं अपनी खुद वो कर रहा हूँ रिलेट थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि मैं भी इंडिया से स्कूल के बाद मैं US गया था, मैंने कॉलेज किया था और मैं भी एक फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज की जॉब में था बॉस्टन में। बट आई सेड यार ये ठीक है, अच्छी पैकेज है, बट दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई वांट टू डू। सो माय पैशन वाज राइटिंग एंड क्रिकेट। तो मैंने भी वो अमेरिकन ड्रीम छोड़ के आई केम बैक एंड आई फॉलोड माय ओन थिंग। बट जस्ट टू पिक अप जो आपने कहा था, इट रिवाइव आपके अंदर जो एक्टर था या एक्टिंग का शौक था। तो फिर आप वापस आए थे, what was it like? आपने कहा था कि आपको स्टेज करना है, but you were probably open to doing any kind of acting at that stage?
Actually, Jimmy, सच में it was not कि जब मैं वापस आया मैं क्लियर था कि मुझे अभी फुल टाइम एक्टर बनना है। इतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी मुझ में, मतलब थोड़ी हिम्मत थी कि मैं नौकरी छोड़ के वापस आया विदाउट एनी अदर प्लान इन हैंड, बट हिम्मत नहीं थी कि यार अब मैं फुल टाइम एक्टर बन जाऊंगा। एंड आई थिंक एट सम लेवल अगर मैंने ऐसा डिसीजन लिया होता उस वक्त तो शायद मैं बहुत जल्दी मुकर जाता वहां से, क्योंकि इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू बिकम अ फुल टाइम एक्टर। तो आई थॉट कि मैं कुछ और करूंगा, लेकिन पता नहीं क्या करना है, इंडिया वापस आना है मुझे. एक्चुअली माय फर्स्ट ड्राइवर टू क्विट दैट जॉब वाज मुझे इंडिया वापस आना है, बहुत हो गया. तो मैं इंडिया वापस आके देखता हूँ क्या करना है. सो आई केम बैक एंड आई सेड एक सबैटिकल लेते हैं, 1 साल 2 साल का सबैटिकल ले लेते हैं. उस दौरान लेट मी डू सम थिएटर, लेट मी डू सम राइटिंग. दीस आर टू थिंग्स आई वांटेड टू डू.
श्योर.
मैंने कहा ये दो चीज मैं करता हूँ. तो मुंबई आया मैंने कहा ये करते हैं. एंड आई थिंक इन अ सेंस मे बी बिकॉज आई सेट द बार लो कि मुझे सबैटिकली करना है, मतलब इट्स नॉट समथिंग मेजर, हैव फन. तो वो चल गया. फिर मैंने 1 साल किया, 2 साल किए. फिर वो क्या हुआ कि आई वाज एंजॉयिंग इट सो मच दैट व्हेन दैट 2 years गॉट ओवर आई डिडंट फील लाइक लीविंग, so I kept making excuses to myself. ये नहीं मैंने I kept saying चलो 6 महीने और करते हैं, 1 साल और करते हैं, ये भी करते हैं, वो भी करते हैं. साइड में एक बिजनेस शुरू करने की कोशिश की मैंने किसी और के साथ. वो भी पार्ट टाइम कर रहा था, ये भी पार्ट टाइम कर रहा था. Somewhere I was not able to quit this. और मेरा पहला प्लान था, सच में पहला प्लान सच में था कि मैं सिर्फ थिएटर करूंगा. मेरा ये कोई नहीं था कि मैं फिल्में करूंगा, बाकी कुछ करूंगा. फिर क्या हुआ कि आई सडनली गॉट कॉल्स फॉर एड्स, क्योंकि मतलब आपका नंबर मतलब इट सर्कुलेट्स अमंग पीपल.
बिल्कुल.
एड्स का मतलब, एंड एड्स का भी इट वाज लकी बिकॉज आई डोंट नो इफ यू रिमेंबर द टाइम, बट उस टाइम पे ना इफ यू वेंट फॉर एड ऑडिशंस, सच में देयर वर अ लाइन ऑफ 100 पीपल स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड.
आई हर्ड.
मैं 2-3 बार गया, आई लॉस्ट इंटरेस्ट. आई सेड व्हाट इज द पॉइंट. फिर लकीली मैंने एक नाटक किया व्हिच इज मच अबाउट नथिंग. And Rohan Sippy came and watched that play, and he really liked my performance. And as luck would have it, agle hafte he was shooting an ad. You need that luck because
बिल्कुल sir.
Even if somebody likes your performance and then they say very good, काम करते हैं, they'll forget about you in 4 days. Because how will they know? But luckily he was shooting an ad 1 week later. तो उसके ऑफिस से कॉल आया अगले दिन कि आ जाओ एड ऑडिशन के लिए. मैंने कहा यार फिर से क्यों जाएगा, 100 लोग होंगे वहां पे, ये वो. एड ऑडिशन किया, वही किया जो बाकी एड्स में करता था मैं, बाकी ऑडिशंस में करता था मैं. बट आई गॉट दिस एड एंड आई एम श्योर इट्स बिकॉज ही मस्ट हैव सेड आई लाइक दिस गाय, आई सॉ हिम इन अ प्ले और जो भी है. सो दैट स्टार्टेड. देन आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ एड्स. देन आई नोटिस्ड आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग कॉल्ड फॉर सम फिल्म ऑडिशंस जी. एंड हालांकि मैंने कहा था कि मुझे बस फिल्म एक्टर नहीं बनना है, मुझे बस थिएटर करना है, सबैटिकल ही है ना, 2-3 सालों के लिए बस, और कुछ नहीं. जैसे ही कॉल आया, आई रिमेंबर आई गॉट अ कॉल फॉर 3 Idiots. No, sorry. Rang De Basanti. I'm confusing the Amir movie. Rang De Basanti, I got a call for an audition. I don't even know what part. I got a call for an audition. और मैं भाग गया वहां पे. You kind of sometimes your preferences reveal themselves to you. आप खुद नहीं कह रहे हो अपने आप करना है. बट जैसे ही कॉल आया, मैं भागा गया वहां पे. और उसने कहा यार पोर्टफोलियो दे दो, क्योंकि उस टाइम में टू हैव फोटोज. मेरे पास एक भी फोटो, आई हैड नॉट डन अ फोटो शूट बिकॉज़ आई डिड नॉट प्लान टू डू दिस. तो मैंने कहा आई एम सो सॉरी सर, मेरे पास फोटो नहीं है. एंड ही लुक्ड एट मी लाइक आप सीरियस हो या नहीं इस करियर में, मतलब व्हाट इज दिस. तो मैं सच में, जिमी, यू वोंट बिलीव दिस, मैंने कहा नहीं सर 1 मिनट. एंड आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड एट एवरी स्टेज विद माय ओन रिएक्शन. आई डिडंट से अच्छा ठीक है यार छोड़ो, मैं आई डोंट इवन नो व्हाट रोल इट वाज. इट माइट हैव बीन द स्मॉलेस्ट रोल देयर, बट आई जस्ट सेड 1 मिनट सर. मैं भागा वहां से बाहर गया. आई वेंट टू 1 hour फोटो स्टूडियो. मैंने वो जो पासपोर्ट साइज फोटो
अगेंस्ट द शीट,
मैंने उसको बोला अरे 2-3 फोटो अलग अलग पोज में लेके मुझे दे दो, मैं जल्दी से वापस जाके देता हूँ. एंड आई रैन बैक इन अ कपल ऑफ आवर्स टू दैट गाय. ही हैड लेफ्ट, बट आई थिंक ही डिडंट टेक मी सीरियसली, बिकॉज़ ही सेड ये है कौन वगैरह. बट दैट इंसिडेंट रिमाइंडेड मी दैट, आई मीन इट रिवील्ड टू मी रादर कि यार अगर ये मौका आएगा तो तू भाग के जाएगा. So there's something in it that you liked, about it. And it kind of reveals to you that, you're enjoying acting. You would like to do this also.
Yeah.
Why this denial कि मतलब मुझे सिर्फ, sabbatical करना है, मुझे full time actor नहीं बनना है, ये वो. I think it's a mindset that you have.
जी.
I think slowly मतलब ऐसे 3-4 साल, मतलब कितने साल अपने आप को झूठ बोलोगे कि मैं सिर्फ sabbatical कर रहा हूँ. 3 साल हो गए, 4 साल हो गए, and slowly I realized I'm a full time actor. I started doing a lot of ads then at one time. And then slowly some films, and then now of course the web has taken over. So
बिल्कुल
wonderful opportunity.
बिल्कुल fantastic anecdotes. And in fact, I remember again, I saw you first in ads, and then I remember I saw you in Ek Meher Ek Tu. I didn't know your name, but there was if I can say, a likability factor.
Thank you.
About it, which so ऐसे क्या है, no matter how long the screen time, ऐसे characters कहीं ना कहीं वो दिमाग में रह जाते हैं वो. And then the more I saw you, I said अच्छा okay, I get it. Then of course came The Office. मतलब इतना well appreciated show. Playing that role, obviously there is a template in the form of the British show, Ricky Gervais, and then of course the American version. उस दौरान आपके you probably wanted to make it your own way. Was there ever pressure to do it the American way, do it the British? How does one do it like that?
No, I don't think. Luckily, there was no pressure on me. I actually started. I had never seen The Office. Of course, I had heard of it. So, जब audition call आया, so then in fact, Kavish, who was the casting director, he said, अगर आपने देखा तो then watch the second season of the American version. क्योंकि हम
okay, interesting.
उस tone, British version नहीं, हम उस tone को ले रहे हैं. That's what we're trying to adapt. And from the second season onwards, because the first and second season are different. So he said, वो देख. So I started watching the second season during the audition, and it was a long audition process. For 3 rounds of auditions I did over a month. So beach mein I kept watching episodes because it gave a very good idea of the character. So and the show, the kind of humor. Sometimes you can't explain it on a piece of paper. So that was very helpful. So I did that, but then once I got the role, I had seen I think almost half of second season, or almost or more, little more than that. मैंने कहा अब नहीं देखूंगा because now you don't want to get into that trap कि मैं इसकी नकल कर रहा हूँ या मैं bigger problem actually is कि as an actor you will say कि मैं जो ये कर रहा ना मुझे उल्टा करना है because you feel that and that's also a problem because sometimes you just have to do what is appropriate and so keeping that in mind whether it becomes a template to follow or to go against is pointless. तो वो मैंने नहीं किया and I think to be fair the creators of the show also never put any pressure कि वैसे करो उसको देख के करो ऐसा कुछ था नहीं for any of the actors. It's always a challenge for us. It was throughout कि मतलब how do you do this, keep the same truth and the same tone and the same treatment of that show but make it your own,
Correct.
But I think in that sense the writers had written, of course it was the screenplays were all adapted from the US screenplay. The plot lines are very similar. But उन्होंने अपना डाल दिया था बीच में, added few tweaks to certain characters there and the other. So that was a good basis to start from. तो हमने किया. I think we did what we could do. I think at some point it was best to,
No, it was a blast, and I was asking for sense because जो आपने किरदार निभाया, it was not at all like the other two ones. That's why I was asking you at the start जब आप लोग ने round table reading किया था, was there any pressure? But you've answered that question.
No, absolutely not, absolutely.
But that again, that role of Jagdeep Chadha, ऐसा कुछ we had not seen this on the Indian web series before that. From doing roles where the screen time was less, what did it feel like? Ab isme I can really sink my teeth into it. How was your first reaction on getting the script?
For getting the part or getting the
part?
I was overjoyed. Matlab, I can tell you, it's the biggest break for me. Isse pehle, you know how things are tough. Isse pehle, I had not even auditioned for a lead part of a major show or a movie, right?
Wow.
Even audition, छोड़ो कि मतलब मिला नहीं अलग बात है. I mean, barring short films and ads, जिसमें मतलब it's obviously so short. There's all the characters are pretty much main characters. Yeah. But I never even got called for an audition for the lead part because that's how difficult it was, right? And in that sense, web has opened it up. Suddenly, you can have shows like this made. They're taking characters like this.
Correct.
So that I was in, and then as I started doing the auditions. I fell in love with the character, and there was a lot of effort that one put in at that stage itself. I got feedback during the first few rounds of auditions also कि आपका पहला audition बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन in the first round, लेकिन ये feel नहीं आ रहा है कि आप फरीदाबाद के हो, because I'm not from फरीदाबाद और वो कोशिश की भी नहीं थी मैंने first audition में because I was not part of the brief. So then for the third audition I worked on that. So when you start working on the character, you also get more emotionally attached to the character. You get, and it's a beautiful part. So I was very, very keen. And I was like, constantly, or wo call, I was on wait for a long time because I was told that they're trying other people also. We liked your audition, but we're trying other people. So I was kind of on standby for a month and a half.
Wow. Month and a half.
Yeah. From the first audition till the time the final call aaya and they were testing other people. I was, I literally, it was the last week before the final call came, मुझे लगा कि ये नहीं होने वाला. अभी बहुत time हो गया और उन्होंने कहा था कि February में we're starting and now it's already end of January, so it's gone. And then the call came. And I can't tell you how happy I was. I mean, it was just, but even short-lived because फिर वो pressure था कि जल्दी से we're shooting in a few weeks. you have to get into this character.
That fast, huh?
It was also tough, but but I mean, obviously, I cannot even describe how happy I was. It was a phenomenal role, great opportunity. I still, to this date, I will thank everybody who's responsible for me getting the role, because it's a great opportunity.
बिल्कुल, and you've done so well. तो इसका सर एक और सीजन है क्या? Do you know anything?
नहीं पता नहीं, 2 सीजन हमने शूट किया था. We had done it together.
जी जी.
Then I think after the second season release, there was talk of the third season. You know, they were commissioning people to write the third season. फिर ये अपना coronavirus has come.
आ गया फिर, correct.
And since then I haven't heard anything, because everything has gone helter-skelter. 15 महीने से यही चल रहा है.
Yeah.
So before that, yes, there was definitely talk. They were talking about commission, getting people to write it, and I know people who got called for that. But पता नहीं उसके बाद क्या हो रहा है. We hope this gets end, and I really hope it happens. We get season 3.
बिल्कुल, we all wish. आपने लॉकडाउन का जिक्र किया था. लॉकडाउन के बीच में आपने अपनी वाइफ के साथ एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाया था. दोनों, I mean, you're both fantastic actors. I think your wife Rasika is the most determined and the most talented female actor right now in the web space going on. उस short film की genesis क्या था? Was it over a conversation? Was it perhaps something which was planned before and it bore fruit during the lockdown?
No, it started in the lockdown. हम ना lockdown में हम बहुत busy हो गए थे. I learned how to cook, and I had never cooked. I mean, I used to make anda and toast and all earlier.
बहुत, इस देश में बहुत मर्द होंगे जो आपके और मेरे सिचुएशन में थे.
नहीं, सच में I learned how to cook. और क्या था कि it was a great skill to learn. लेकिन जो मतलब किसी को 1 घंटा लगता है बनाने में, मुझे 5 घंटे लगे. Okay, फिर उसके बाद बर्तन धोने पड़ रहे. So I was my entire day doing this only, and बस साफ सफाई ये वो वगैरह. This is all we both did. Every Monday, you're just doing this constantly. किसी से मिल नहीं रहे हो. And it was Rasika's idea actually. She got approached by Terribly Tiny Tales to do something non-fiction actually. मतलब how it was happening in that period. कि you do poetry reading, you do some kind of a narration, something 1-2 minute का. It was 1-2 minute का, that kind of thing. So she said, ये है 1-2 minute का slot इन्होंने कहा है. Let's do something. I'm thinking let's make a film for 1-2 minutes. So मैंने कहा ठीक है. And it was like the desperation कि यार कुछ करते हैं, because there was nothing creative happening.
Absolutely.
तो हमने कहा करते हैं. So we said हर दिन हम 6 बजे we will sit down for a cup of coffee. जो भी काम है दिन का, forget it.
छोड़ो. हाँ. We
will sit down together and we will brainstorm ideas. And we brainstormed 4 ideas. One of them was, and then we developed 2 of them a little further. Then we liked this one. This one started off actually as an idea of love in the time of Corona. कि Corona के time में what would a love story be like? And then we also had constraints कि अपने घर में ही shoot कर सकते हैं, ज़्यादा corridor के पास जा सकते हैं. So we decided to, we had one other idea we had कि हम अपने, because across the windows you start noticing your neighbors a lot more across the window. Because you suddenly all day you're sitting, you see them, they're looking at you.
Correct.
And there's a sudden you start noticing उनकी upholstery. Rasika would notice उनकी upholstery कैसी है. What are they doing all day? They must be looking at us. So that was another idea, for example. But उसमें shooting में was a problem, because how do you shoot from outside your window looking in? The grills, how do you get it?
बिल्कुल.
So then we stuck with this idea and we said, let's not make it a couple in the same house. We'll make it across and corridor use कर सकते हैं. So we'll make it neighbor. So it started there. And literally it was कि 2 minute की film बनाएंगे और कुछ नहीं. And we started writing, and then we developed the idea, and then it actually became, a much longer script. Actually, it was even longer than this. जो बाकी की film थी, it was much longer. This point where the film ends was somewhere the halfway point, and it continues. It was more of a love story, how it continues, etc. And but then that point was so good, where it ends, that we said, where we ended it, we said, let's stop. And then we showed it to TTT, and they said, of course, we were not looking at this, but ये करते हैं. This is a beautiful
script.
It
works. Yeah.
It works. And then, in fact, we expanded the script, because it was first about 6-7 minutes, and they said now that you can add more meat. I've always, like I said, Jamie, I wanted to write also a lot. That was one of the 2 things I wanted to do. And I have written on and off short stories, some storytelling events I've done. But this was the first script I wrote. So we sat down together, we kind of were brainstorming, we came up with the ideas, and then wrote the whole thing out. And we wrote it actually as if we had to shoot it. We didn't know we'll get a director.
Interesting.
It was good because in a way the scenes were forced to be कि कहाँ shoot कर सकते हैं अपने घर में, you know,
because you're in that space. बिल्कुल.
Yeah, we shot it as we have to do this ourselves, and then we got lucky. We got a director also who came remotely, मतलब video conference से, so that made life easier. But it was great fun. It was great fun. It was a lot of work.
Yeah.
So even before the shoot, preparation करना पड़ा हमें because the shoot is so long कि उससे पहले उसके दो तीन दिन पहले we cooked food for 4-5 days. ताकि उन दिनों में we could, you know,
just focus on that. Correct.
Yeah, we could. It was very tough. It was like it's our baby, right? So it felt really good.
And it came across so beautifully. So I'll always remember that one part of the lockdown for watching Banana Bread. और उसके बाद मैंने यहाँ खुद कोशिश की थी एक Banana Bread बनाने की. मेरी बीवी ने कहा भाई तू रहने दे इसको. So again, I'll always be grateful for watching it. अब सर आते हैं आजकल almost back to back we can say Amazon Prime पे शेरनी feature film जहाँ पे आपने विद्या बालन जी के साथ एक्टिंग किया, एंड देन सनफ्लावर व्हिच आई मीन जो मैंने आपको मैसेज किया था, मैं तो पहले ही सीन से इट वाज यू आप कुछ चीजें देखते हो एंड वो पहले सीन में आपकी शक्ल पे एक गूफी स्माइल इट स्लैप्स ऑन योर फेस, और वो रहा पूरा. अगेन probably shot in very different times but they sort of came out at the same time. वो आपके हाथ में नहीं है. How do you look at these two things? Because one, again, screen time is less in Sherni, but again, like you always do, आपने अपना मार्क छोड़ा और फिर मतलब डॉक्टर आहूजा के बारे में मैं जितना कहूंगा वो कम ही होगा. तो पहले बात करते हैं शेरनी एक्टिंग with Vidya Balan.
You know, Sherni, it's yeah, you're right. It's a short role. So thank you for saying what you said. It's you know, small screen time. I was not sure कि मैं करूंगा कि नहीं ये जब ये ऑफर किया गया मुझे, because two reasons. I mean, not the length of the role as much, but this is also on the surface, it's a role that I normally get offered. कि मतलब इसका job है, ये clean shaven look है वगैरह, you know, all that. मतलब मुंबई में एक corporate job है इसकी तो. But I met Amit Masurkar. I'm a big fan of his. I've seen both Suleimani Kida and the Newton. So I met him, and there was just something very disarmingly refreshing about what, you know, the way he spoke about his film. You know, he was very clear that this is why I want this character. This is, you know, what I want. There's none of the bullshit was there कि यार नहीं sir आपका तो मतलब mind blowing pivotal role है इसकी, you know, or none of that. He was very clear.
Honesty.
This Pawan is a foil to Vidya's character for this reason. There isn't that much of an arc, no, you know, blah blah. He was very clear, but he had certain other things that he wanted to play with the character and their relationship. जो script में was not so evident, but he had definitely ideas around that. And there was just something about Amit. मतलब उनको मिलके, I just came out of that meeting and I said, मुझे ये करना है.
Wow.
Just blind. Let's just, you know, sometimes you take that leap of faith. Doesn't matter. मुझे ये करना है. मुझे इस बंदे के साथ काम करना है. That's it. And that's why I said yes to it. And it was great fun shooting it. And they're all lovely people on that unit. And especially in COVID times, to have a good set of people to work with. And it was a good fun to do. And I think the challenge with Sherni was to try and, you know, tweak a few things here and there to make this character slightly different from what you normally might play, you know. And
I get that, yeah.
And he wanted a slight tweak in their relationship without, you know, he's also got a very understated style, जैसे आपने देखा होगा film में.
Yeah.
He doesn't underline things too much, so it's not.
Nice, yeah.
हम उल्टा, I mean, if she's like this, then he must be completely the opposite. मतलब let's show.
बिल्कुल.
It's a decent relationship. It is nothing, you know, on the surface wrong, but below the surface there are many things that aren't right. You know, it's like that. You know, and
correct.
Wanted to show, and we tried, and then limited screen time. Try and bring that out in limited screen time. We tried. So yeah, that was good to do.
Superb. और फिर Sunflower, फिर Dr. Ahuja, मतलब again, like I said, a very, very key character, opening scene से जहाँ और end तक. You must have had a lot of fun doing that.
Lots of fun. जैसे आपने कहा, you know, that you had a goofy smile while watching it. I had a goofy smile on my face while reading the script.
Reading it, okay.
Beginning to end. You know, is that I wasn't laughing out loud. I wasn't chuckling. But I just had that half smile constantly while reading it.
Oh yes, sir.
I really felt that that's a great, it was a fun script. I felt कि ये character भी मतलब इतना interesting है because it's not a role I get offered often. And that's very important, you know, you want to avoid
sure.
क्योंकि normally होता है ना कि अच्छा character को suit पहनना है तो मुकुल चड्ढा का phone लगाओ. You know, it's literally that. So I was like, no, this is an interesting character. He's got a short temper. He's got contempt for his wife.
Correct. He does.
He's just the worst kind of person in a lot of ways. But then to try and make that believable and try and make, you have to, it's your job to work to make that character believable and real. So it was a lovely challenge, and I had a blast playing that character. And I think on set, I mean, with Radha, who played Mrs. Ahuja, so important for that relationship to work that, it's her reactions to Mr. Ahuja more than anything else that make that believable. So we had a blast. We had an absolute blast.
Lovely. Absolute pleasure talking to you. We wish you all the best.
With Jamie. And hope to meet you in person now next.
बिल्कुल सर, बहुत टाइम हो गया ऐसे बात की chat पे, but lovely to meet, as they say. We wish you all the best for everything.
And to you too. Thank you.
Thank you.